Guys, today I want to discuss about something sensitive. Most people have been talking about this matter of Dr. Prophet Tshepo, Tsekeleleke and Blackcat. But today I want to speak about this matter from a spiritual eye, from the prophetic. I want to talk about the spirits behind Dr. Prophet Tshepo, Tsekeleleke and Blackcat. Guys, the question which I want to ask you today, who is Dr. Prophet Tshepo to you? This is the same question that Jesus Christ of Nazareth asked his disciples from the book of Matthew 16. Matthew 16 going down from verse number 14. There was once a time whereby he asked his disciples, those who were following him, that who do people say that I am? Who is Dr. Prophet Tshepo? Because I know that some of you can describe him as a prophet. Some and then some of you guys, you might say, the way he described himself. Some of you guys, you might say, the way he described himself. But who is Dr. Prophet Tshepo in the spiritual realm? And I want to say something about rituals. Guys, one thing about rituals, if or if you get money by rituals, you won't just enjoy money. You won't just enjoy that wealth or that money. There are terms and conditions. Guys, and those terms and conditions, they need to be followed. And the failure to observe or to follow the terms and conditions, the rules that you're supposed to follow, it will result in a penalty. Your life will go down. And not only that, there are also sacrifices that people who are ritualists that follow, that do. And if, listen to me, and even the way you offer a sacrifice, it is different. If you offer a sacrifice as a ritual, you don't have to mourn or to cry over that sacrifice. If that is why most people who are into rituals or ritualism, most of them, if maybe they choose to kill one of their parents or one of their siblings or their children, they are not even allowed to go to their funerals. That is one of the signs of these things. If a person is a ritual, they're into rituals, and then they have to sacrifice with one of their loved ones, they're not allowed to follow these things. And if you don't follow those rules and regulation, and you don't offer sacrifices in a proper manner, your things will begin to go down. That is why when Jesus Christ was on the cross, he was carrying the sins of this world, sins which he never committed. And when he cried on the cross as a sacrifice, as the Lamb of God, he said, my Father, why have you forsaken me? Because God was looking away. Whenever you sacrifice something, you don't have to look into it for the sacrifice to be effective. And for you never to have mercy or to have compassion over what you have offered. And if we can talk about Blackcat, guys, Blackcat, she's very, very intelligent spiritually. What Blackcat did when she took Tsekeleleke to Dr. Prophet Tshepo, that time she was exchanging his glory. I am telling you, no matter who does what for Tsekeleleke, no matter who tries to help Tsekeleleke financially, he will never rise. Because all the luck and all the blessing that was supposed to be his has now been transferred to who? To Blackcat. I'm telling you, Tsekeleleke is just an empty vessel spiritually. People might gift him, people might want to help him, but money will never stay. Because Blackcat has done a spiritual exchange over him with her prophet. I will talk more about this matter. Especially on the part of Tsekeleleke. Because if Tsekeleleke does not open his eyes, if Tsekeleleke never gets help at the right time, Tsekeleleke will die with nothing. Tsekeleleke will die an empty man. And Tsekeleleke will soon be forgotten. Because all the luck and all the blessings that were bestowed on him, they are now transferred on Blackcat. And even this one, Tshepo, ke ngaka or ke doctor or ke prophet, the Tshepo, I saw a candle in the spiritual realm. And as I saw that candle, it's like that candle was losing its light, as if like there is wind blowing upon that candle. He must monitor his life. He must monitor his life. His days are numbered. His days are numbered. The more he stops appeasing his gods, it is the more his life becomes naked. There is a lot of danger over him, and the problems that he's faced with spiritually, even money cannot deliver him. The only thing that can help him, it's when he renews or when he revives that covenant with his spirits. That's the only way.
Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. So, you guys, this TikTok prophet has done this video regarding the relationship between a black cat prophet Tshepo, you guys, and of course, Tsekeleleke. And I must say that he made a lot of serious and damaging allegations about Dr. Prophet Tshepo, who is, a traditional healer or a sangoma or a seer of some sort, you guys, and a black cat having to use Tsekeleleke as ISITHWALO psyche. He also accused Prophet Tshepo of being a ritualist, you guys. He says that black cat is a very intelligent person spiritually, and said when she took Tsekeleleke to see Prophet Dr. Tshepo, I think it was last year, the beginning of last year, if I'm not mistaken, or somewhere in September, if I'm not mistaken, she was actually exchanging Tsekeleleke's glory, transferring it and taking it. He says rather, all the luck and success which is meant for Utseki will never come to him, but it will all go to Black Cat, you guys. This prophet is making serious allegations, you guys. He says that, Black Cat is actually just using Tsekeleleke as a pawn, and she is enriching herself using Tsekeleke's luck and everything that is meant for him. He says, spiritually, Tsekeleleke is an empty vessel. Money will not stay with him. It will never stay with him. And if Tsekeleleke does not get any kind of help, unfortunately, he will have to die very poor. He will die poor with nothing to show for it. And he says that soon Tsekeleleke is going to be a nobody, and people are just gonna, detach themselves from Tsekeleleke, and he's gonna go back to square zero, you guys. Now he also made this, he also says that Dr. Prophet Tshepo's life is actually in danger, and his life is about to end if he doesn't do anything, and that he needs to do something before it is too late. Now, this man has made some serious and very, very serious allegations, I must say, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comments section, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this video, and may God just continue blessing you all. I will see you in the next video. Bye.